Holy cow, everyone. We've been doing this wrong. Today, I'm going to be reviewing BASINEL's grill baskets, large and small. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. We really have been doing this wrong, and I didn't even know these existed. Let's go ahead and take a look at these grill baskets and find out why we need to do things differently. All right, so this is a grill basket. This is the large one with a handle. Here's the small one. This is the smaller one without the handle. Real easy to use. When you get this, though, this is a hinge here. So you're just going to lift up. Don't go crazy. Just you're going to lift up on this, and then you're going to put everything you need in here. Vegetables, meats, all of that. Why? I mean, you could do shish kebabs and all of that, but you are now not going to have stuff fall through your grill. You're still going to get the really nice smoky flavor. You can still turn it around because obviously you got this nice handle on the end, and also seasoning. It's real easy. You can just sprinkle your seasoning right through this. You're going to get a perfect grill. Nothing's falling through. You also are going to get these hooks in there, so you get everything that you need for your grill. Very easy to clean, and they both come with the handles there. This does really well on Amazon. It's an Amazon overall pick last month. I can't even believe it. 2,000 plus of these were sold. I'm not seeing that these are getting returned. People are liking them. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.